Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your electronic parking brake with auto hold in the 2022 Kia Forte. I have in front of me here a GT Limited DCT in Orange Delight. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, in the 2022 Forte, you'll now see that there is an electronic parking brake instead of the regular hand brake. And you'll see there's an auto hold button underneath it. So right now, we'll focus on the parking brake. If I were to go and put my foot onto the brake pedal, and lightly lift up on that P button, you're going to see right here in the instrument panel that our emergency brake is now engaged. To disengage it, if I were to keep my foot on the brake pedal and push that button down, it then disengages it. If I happen to have it engaged and I go to put the vehicle into drive, you're going to see it will automatically turn it off for you just so you don't accidentally drive around with it on. I'm going to put the vehicle back into park, and I'm now going to go ahead and press the auto hold button. And after I pressed it, you'll see it comes up at the bottom of the instrument panel screen, and it says auto hold in white. If I were to go put the vehicle into drive, you'll see it change to green. What that's doing now is using the electronic parking brake to hold the brake pedal for me while I'm in drive. So right now I can take my foot off of the brake pedal. I'm still in the drive gear, and you'll see it's still green on there. If I were to go and touch the gas pedal, the vehicle will then start to move and auto hold is released. If I were to come to a complete stop again, you'll see auto hold goes green again to let me know that the brake pedal is being held by the electronic parking brake. And if you don't want to use it, you just go ahead and press the button and make sure it doesn't say auto hold at the bottom there. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please go ahead and subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thank you very much, guys.